We guide you through how to add an image to your goodbye message in Discord so every member who leaves your server gets a clean and customized farewell. First thing you need to do is to choose a boot that supports leaves messages with images. Popular options include MEE6, Dino, Carl Boot, and ProBoot. Go to the Boot's official websites, click Add to Discord, and authorize it for your server. Once the boot is inside, open its dashboard and look for Goodbye, Leave Messages, or Farewell feature. Turn it on, then select the channel where you want the goodbye message to appear. After that, upload the image you want to use. This could be a simple banner, a thank you graphic, or anything that fits your server theme. Customize your message by adding text, variables like the username, and emojis to make it more personal. Save your settings, then test it by using a test account or temporarily removing a boot to see the goodbye message pop up with the image. Once everything looks good, your server will automatically send a clean, professional, with your chosen image every time someone leaves.